Hi, my name is Jess Batha, and I'm going to be sharing a yoga sequence with you today that has a focus on strength and stability and balance in the outer hips. If you're newer to some of these motions that we're doing, you can use a chair as a prop. This will help, particularly if you're working to build strength in the hamstrings, glutes, and lower back. And also if you have any balance issues, it can be helpful to have something to lean on. So I'm going to start out in a warrior two position, knees and toes facing the front of the room, and then I'm rotating my torso to face the side of the room. My shoulders and my hips are aligned in that direction. I'm going to take an exalted warrior position, leaning up and back, away from that warrior two. And then I'm going to reach the hand forward and get light on the back foot as I arrive down into half moon. From here, I'm going to work to float the half moon, getting light on the fingertips, strong in the core. I will rotate my hips to face the ground and send the same arm as the leg that's lifted out away from the midline. I'll work to bring the balance forward and lift the leg to the opposite hand. Working that strength again, feeling that work in the outer hip, using the chair to balance, bending into the supporting leg. Maybe tap the top of the chair to help you move up into a knee bend to the front. It's just there in case, for a little support. And then stepping forward. Repeating on the other side. Coming into that warrior two. Finding stability in the foundation, in the feet. Taking a rotation in the palms, reaching up and back for exalted warrior. And then getting light on the back foot as you drop the fingers towards the floor, lifting into half moon variation. And then getting light on the fingers to float the half moon. And taking the rotation. Body forward, and then body tall. You might feel a little wobbly. That's okay. It's all part of the journey. Then we reach it to the back, taking that high lunge position, and stepping it in. Then we do an advanced option. From here, we'll send one leg back to that high lunge position, take a rotation across the midline of the body into a spinal twist. Floating the body forward for your twisted half moon. From here, lightening up on the front hand, sending that arm forward, leg behind, and back into our stability and balance challenge here. High lunge, and we'll try it one more time on the other side. Taking a rotation, fingertips to the back thigh, reaching up and back, and then reaching across the body, coming forward for twisted half moon. Sending the leg and the arm in opposite directions, and then rising up. Stepping back, into that stretch. Whew, it's a lot of work. I hope you enjoy it and you give it a try. Thank you.